guys, I'm going to unbox this Ulta Beauty. This is a big box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see what I got. I got my gift, and what I got here is my shampoo. This is a detox shampoo. This one right here. This is a big container. This is the biggest we have. And the jumbo one, this is a Purology Hydrate Sheer Conditioner, guys. So I like this one. It's still sold. So that's all I can share because they have a sale of the shampoo and conditioner, hair products, the big size, jumbo size. So avail it until it lasts. The sales ongoing still until July 19. So today is 12. So one more week. Okay, so here's my, and here the Virtue. This is a good brand. I'm going to give this to my birthday girl, and some of the shampoo for hair. Okay, so this is nice package like on the go or travel, and for one use or maybe multiple use, because this is complete for your hair care. All right, so that's all for now I can share, and thanks for watching. Bye.